Well, it happened. I've snapped this bolt here, which goes in just there. And what it should look like is that whole piece there. So now that can't connect onto this, and so I'm fucked. I gotta work something out. I gotta strap it up somehow. I'll bodge it. Watch this. Okay, I've sort of got it fixed. Let me have a gaze down here. This silver piece here, and this connecting bit inside of here, which this sits on top of, I've now taken that piece away. So all it is this combo ring there. So it's got a recess which this slides into, and then this clips onto that, and this holds this frame here in. So I basically filled it with rubber from my bands up here and then screwed it back into its hole, lashed it all up, and I'm thinking it's just missing a big chunk. If you can see the difference in space in between there and there, that big silver thing is just what I've replaced. So this is the big silver thing. So all I need to do is last until I get into Wanaka again. So I'm going to push it tonight. But if you can see, kind of luckily where I busted, there's a bridge. That's the Clutha River, that runs all the way back home. And then on the other side there's like a campground. So I might go find somewhere to camp up for the night. But there's another one further down which is pretty.